Welcome to the channel. One of the best way to make money is by staking on Kucoin. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake on Kucoin. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and create your account, and once you've created your account, make sure you complete your KYC. Currently, for this my account, my KYC is not yet completed, so I won't be able to do some transactions. All right, so as you can see, I'm on the staking section. To get to the staking section, it's very easy. Once you're on kucoin.com, you come to the earnings section and you go to stakings, and on stakings, scroll down and you're going to see staking options. All right, you're going to see staking options and scroll down and look for the particular assets you want to go ahead and stake. So currently I'll just select TRC. Basically you look at the coins, look at the reference APR. APR is what you're going to get in return, how much you're going to get in return, the redemption date, when it's going to expire for you to get your total rewards. So I'll click on TRC20. I'll click on input the amount. So currently I have zero TRC. I have zero TRC right now, so I won't be able to do that to input the amount. So but once you've inputted the amount, you just need to click on agree with the crypto mining agreement and subscribe, and it's going to subscribe immediately. You can see subscription date. So if I subscribe today, my profit distribution date is going to be in 3 days from now. As you can see right here, 3 days from now. So you can say, so profit is received every single day, so which means I'm going to get my profits every single day. So that's it on how to go ahead and stake. And you can see for this one, for this crypto, it's for this TRC. So TRX is 14 days flexible, which means you can withdraw anytime, you can remove your assets anytime. So if you come to, you can see we have stake KCS. KCS is the token for Kucoin. So if you click on stake now, it's going to take you to the section for you to stake. So you click on stake, and you click on stake, you input the amount of KCS you have. Currently I have 0 KCS, so any amount of KCS you have, you put it in. You can see right here they have a maximum amount of KCS. You can see the maximum amount right here. So this maximum amount of KCS you can actually stake. So you can stake any amount. Minimum amount of KCS you can stake is 1 KCS. So you put it there and you'll be able to subscribe. So how do you get KCS? You get KCS on this section. All you just have to do is to trade. So you can see right here, this is 1 KCS is $10, and I have about 2.81 USDT in my account, which is very small. So all you just have to do is click on trade, and you click on spot, then you trade your USDT for KCS. So that's just how you get it. So once from there, you'll be able to have KCS in your account, and you can come back here and stake. So it's that easy for you to go ahead and stake on Kucoin. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.